Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. In this video we will learn how to lock and protect specific cells in a worksheet. Sometimes we just want to protect particular cells in a worksheet. As you can see in my worksheet, there are product names and the total sales of these products and the month names January, February and March. To lock all these cells, select all cells in the worksheet by pressing the Ctrl and A, or by selecting the Select All button, the gray triangle in the top left corner of the worksheet. Then right click anywhere in the worksheet and select the option Format Cells, or press the Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells dialog box, click on Protection and check the Locked option and then click OK. Now all the cells are in this worksheet are protected. Now I want to unprotect these cells in my worksheet. For this, select them and right click, choose the option Format Cells, click on Protection and uncheck the option Locked and click OK. Now go to the Review tab and click Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, type a password and retype the password to confirm it and click OK. Now only the selected cells are protected. If you attempt to edit these specific cells, a warning box will appear. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.